What's up, guys? In this video, we will be checking out the different blue chip tokens and what are the sentiments of the investors. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so if this is your first, guys, make sure to go ahead and check out the channel. There are tons of cryptocurrency videos that I make, and I upload those daily. So make sure to consider subscribing. That way you will not miss out on any of those. Okay, so looking at the Bitcoin chart right now, look at this candle right here. From about 90,000, it went all the way down to 87, and it wasn't done yet. It went all the way to like 85,000. Right? Now, we have the market cap at 1.71 trillion and the 24-hour volume at $44.83 billion. Now, my sentiment to this one, simply because, I mean, I am not like a leverage or futures trader, right? Now, for the leverage and the futures trader, this is really a big deal. But for me, I am just hodling my Bitcoin. I don't really worry much about the price action of Bitcoin with the current days. I mean, like from 125,000, it went down to like 110, and then it went down to 100, went down to 90. It went down to 85, even lower than that, I believe. So, I mean, that's perfectly fine. I mean, that's how it is, right? But just really investing in Bitcoin for the long run. So, like, we're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years down the line. So, I'm not going to be pulling out those funds. And guys, you got to always remember, if you are investing, okay, you have to spend only money you can afford to lose, right? Even in other tokens, not just Bitcoin. You have Bitcoin, you have Ethereum, Tether, you have, but this is like the stable coins, but you have Solana and the other cryptocurrency tokens. They are very volatile, so you got to make sure that you know what you're getting yourself into, and you have to do your own research every time, okay? Because again, this could actually make you rich overnight, but it can make you bankrupt overnight as well. So you gotta be careful with that, okay? Now, one thing that I would also like to show you guys is BingX. Now, BingX is actually emerging as one of the most influential forces in the global digital asset landscape. And recently, okay, it surpassed the milestone of 40 million users worldwide, and it is founded in 2018, and the company has already grown into a leading cryptocurrency exchange in the Web3 AI innovator. So it is delivering a full ecosystem of AI-powered tools. You have derivatives markets, spot trading, and the copy trading solutions, and I will actually show that to you in a bit. Okay, so from the newcomers that they're taking their first steps to seasoned professionals that are seeking advanced capabilities, this trading platform is home for you guys. And let me show you this. Okay, so for this one, okay, you could actually purchase your crypto with P2P. You have quick buy and you have fiat deposit. But I personally, do P2P trading wherever you are in the world. There are actually different currency that you could choose from. Look at that. So, I mean, that is one thing that I really love about them is that, if you want to buy, it is very easy. And if you want to sell out your cryptocurrency tokens and, send it over to your bank or e-wallets or whatnot, it only depends to you, of course. It is also very, very easy. See? You have the payment method, you have the limit, you have the price, okay? But of course, you have to make sure that you're always doing your own research. Make sure that you are also, checking it out. Once you do your P2P trading, before you transfer the money over to the seller or the buyer, you have to make sure that you have received the payment in your account as well, okay? Now, you have also their cryptocurrency cut. You also have their copy trading. Now, in copy trading, you have the AI copy trading as well, okay? And you have their leaderboard. So for those of you that are like me, that are competitive in nature, you want to compete with yourself, you want to compete with others, you have, the ability to do so with BingX. So at the heart of BingX's rapid expansion is the Bing AI. So the flagship component of its all-in AI mission, and it is supported by a strategic $300 million investment over the next 3 years. And this is actually an integrated intelligence layer that redefines what modern, confident crypto trading looks like. Okay, so unlike any other trading platforms out there that are outdated, BingX is continuously investing in their technology to make sure that you, as an investor, as a trader in general, you have the capability to do what you need to. All right, so BingX growth is also built on the 4 core pillars, guys. Its innovation is reflected in its position as the total global derivatives platform and a robust spot market that is connecting over 170 public chains. And its security foundation is strengthened by $150 million protection fund. So 100% proof of reserves and the ISO 27001 certification. And its academy, guys, is top notch. You will definitely be able to learn a lot from that one. And in here, you could also check out the other parts of the website. Okay, so you have the VIP invite to earn, promotion center. Okay, you have the rewards. I would strongly suggest you could go ahead and check that one out as well, because they are, majority of the time they are running a campaign. So, it's always good to check this part out. That way you would know, if there's something that you could participate in that would give you like extra cash, right? Okay, so with 40 million users in that 100% year-over-year growth, guys, BingX is continuing to demonstrate what leadership looks like in an artificial intelligence-driven, user-first era of cryptocurrency trading. So, guys, you got to go ahead and check them out. Of course, make sure to follow all their social media platforms. It is at the bottom of their page. That way, when they have updates, when they have announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything, and basically everything about the project, you will always be informed. And again, if this is your first, guys, make sure to go ahead and check out my channel. I upload new cryptocurrency videos daily, so consider subscribing. That way, you will not miss out on any of those. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.